In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of TurboTax properly. Protecting your personal and tax information starts with a clean sign-out, especially if you're on a shared or public device. Even though it's a quick process, doing it the right way ensures no one else can access your return after you're done. First, look toward the top right corner of your screen. That's where TurboTax places your account controls. Give the page a second to fully load so all the menu items appear. In that upper right area, you'll typically see either your profile icon, your initials, or a small menu indicator. That's your cue that you're in the right spot. Hover your mouse over it, or click it to reveal the account options. You're not changing any settings here. You're just locating the place where the Sign Out control lives. Next, click Sign Out. It may be labeled Sign Out or Log Out, but it will be clearly identified as the option that ends your session. A single deliberate click is all you need. Avoid clicking multiple times in a row. That can interrupt the process or trigger unnecessary page loads. If a small drop-down menu is open, make sure you select the Sign Out option specifically, not other account links. Now, wait for TurboTax to log you out. This is an important step a lot of people rush past. You may see a brief loading indicator or a quick transition screen. Don't close the browser tab just yet. Give the site a moment to complete the sign-out process on its end. This ensures your session token is fully cleared and prevents your information from lingering in an active state. Finally, confirm that you're redirected to the login page. When the sign-out completes, you should land on a page that asks you to sign in again. Look for the familiar username and password fields or a clear Sign In prompt. That's your confirmation that you're no longer in an active account session. If you see your return or account details instead, repeat the Sign Out click and wait a bit longer. Once you're back at the login screen, you're safely logged out. That's all there is to it. Check the top right, click Sign Out, wait for the sign out to complete, and make sure you're on the login page. Make this a habit every time you finish working in TurboTax, especially on shared computers, to keep your financial data secure. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.